Here's a great deal on a 2000 Lexus RX 300. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Lexus infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.